आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने अपनी अलमीरा से कोई पुरानी ड्रेस निकाली और उसकी पॉकेट से ना अचानक कुछ पैसे निकले? कितनी अनएक्सपेक्टेड खुशी होती है ना वो। मेरे साथ भी ना एक बुक को लेकर कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ है। हाय हेलो नमस्ते, माय नेम इज आरजे मंजुला। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल, जिस चैनल पर हम बुक्स, पोइट्री, 90s और लाइफ की बातें करते हैं। और yesterday I was just going through some websites and I was just trying to see which books to read, एंड सडनली अनएक्सपेक्टेड खुशी मिली मुझे। एक ऐसे ऑथर की न्यू बुक लॉन्च हुई जिन्होंने अपनी पहली बुक बहुत साल पहले लिखी थी, एंड सिंस देन आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर हिज सेकंड बुक एंड आई हैड ऑलमोस्ट लॉस्ट होप। मगर कल मुझे वो बुक मिली एंड आई रेड इट इन फ्यू आवर्स एंड आज मैं उसी बुक का रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ। So before I tell you which book is this, let me just remind you, please अगर आप book lover हैं then please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell so that आपको मेरी जितने भी book reviews हैं ना उनकी notification मिलती रहे. So this is the book that I was talking about. This is Agni Baan by S. Venkatesh. Now S. Venkatesh is the author of one of the best mythological thriller, best-selling mythological thriller called Kalkut. और कालकूट का भी रिव्यू मैं बहुत जल्द इस चैनल पर करने वाली हूँ एंड आई विल शेयर दैट विद यू, बट टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट अग्निबाण. So it's a mythological thriller. It is set in two times. One is in 5th century, which is in Egypt, and the one is set in the modern times in Delhi, US and Africa. So the story is first set in the 5th century where there is a character, there's a guardian called Ephtep, and he is actually the hero of the story. He is the guardian of an age-old secret weapon called fire arrow. और इस एरो के पीछे ना, इस सीक्रेट वेपन के पीछे बहुत सारी डार्क फोर्सेस पड़ी हैं एंड दे एक्चुअली अटैक ऑन दीज गार्डियंस एंड the attack is so bad that all the guardians are slayed and they are killed, murdered at different parts of Egypt. But Ephtep managed to escape from that from Egypt with this weapon, and he comes to India to hide this weapon, and he hides it and gives leaves certain clues for the right people to find it. So in the modern times, the story is set in Delhi where there are US elections going on, and there is one strong candidate for the president who is actually on a visit to India. And but he's assassinated in Delhi by using some really advanced technology weapons, and Delhi is also under attack. और इस प्लॉट के मॉडर्न टाइम्स के हीरो हैं ध्रुव, who is actually a part of a special task force in the Indian Army. He also has his own past. वो और एक historian मेघा, they get involved in this whole mess unknowingly. But they decide to take this task head on, and how do they survive? They not only have to discover this age-old secret, they have to find out its secret location in India using the clues that they've found, but they also have to save themselves from the dark forces who are behind this weapon. Now this book has some nerve-wracking moments. I finished this book in one day because I couldn't sleep without knowing the end, and that's actually an amazing capability that S. Venkatesh has, because agar aap Kalkut bhi padhenge, so you will realize that in a single book, because usually when mythological thrillers are written, there is actually a trilogy, or there are 2 books, or sometimes there are 4 books also. But S. Venkatesh is the only author that I have seen that he can give you, he can keep you hooked in just one book. You know that this is the only book, there's not going to be a second part of the same, so you can finish it in some time, but you are hooked on to the book till the end. So please make Agniban a part of your bookshelf for sure. And of course Kalkut also, as I said, Kalkut is also one amazing book. Uska review bhi main jaldi karungi, but till then do read this book because this is awesome. Hope you liked this review, and if you did, please share it with all your book lover friends. And जल्द मिलेंगे एक नए वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए please keep reading and please keep smiling.